Hey people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ayush. In this video, we are going to learn C program to calculate the greatest number, the maximum number between two numbers. So for that, we'll need two variables which are of integer type, which we will use for comparison. Then we need to input the values from user. For that, we are providing a message to user to enter two numbers which will be respectively stored in the variables num1 and num2. Moving towards the main logic, we are going to use if and else keywords for this purpose. First, in the if bracket, we will provide a condition, that is num1 is greater than num2. If num1 is greater than num2, we will have to print this message in the if block, that %d is greater than %d, which will be replaced by number 1 is greater than the number 2. Otherwise, if this condition is not true, we'll have to execute the block of else, that is to print number 2 is greater than number 1. This is a much easier program. Let's compile that and let's run. The first number I'm entering is 12 and the second one I'm entering is 16. Look, 16 is greater than 12. Again compiling, again running it. Now we'll enter the first number which will be greater, that is 43, and the second number which will be less, that is 12. Look, 43 is greater than 12. So in the similar way, we can write a program to calculate maximum number between three numbers. So I have made some changes. See, I have added the third variable. I have input the third variable from user, which is num3. Now moving towards, let's check the first condition. If number 1 is greater than number 2, we will move towards the first bracket, that is E block. In the E block, I have again added another if block. This process is called nested if block. In this, I have provided the condition, if this condition is true, this means number 1 is already greater than number 2. So what we have to check, if number 1 is also greater than number 3, then that number 1 is greatest among them. So we will check the number 1 is greater than number 3. If true, the number 1 will be greater than both of them, else the number 3 will be greater than both of them, because number 2 is already less than number 1, and if number 3 is greater than number 1, the number 3 will also be greater than number 2. This means number 3 will be the greatest. But what if this condition is false? If this condition is false, this means the value of number 2 is greater than number 1. So number 2 for now number 2 is greater. Then again moving towards the else block, we will check if the number 2 is also greater than number 3. If this condition gets true, this means the number 2 is greater than number 3 and number 1 both. But if the number 2 is not greater than number 3, this means number 3 again will be the greatest among all the three of them. So this is little complicated. You will have to go through the program again to understand. Now let's compile a program. Let's run. I'll provide three numbers. In those, we'll take all the three cases. The first is 12, 13. Look, first is 78, second is 45, and third is 32. In this, the first number should be the greatest, that is 78 is greater than 45 and 32. Again compiling, again running. Look, in this I'll provide the second number as the greatest, that is 12, 76 and 34. In this 76 is greater in both of them. Again running it. In this time we'll provide 32, 45 and 98. Running it, last digit, the last number 98 is greater than both of them. In this way you can use this logic to find greatest number between 4 numbers, 5 numbers and more. So hope you guys understood the program. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Do like, share and subscribe my channel.